In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive from zipping your files. If you've ever found yourself needing to download multiple files from Google Drive, only to be greeted by a massive zipped folder, you'll know it can be a bit of a hassle. Fortunately, there are some effective workarounds, and I'm here to guide you through them step by step. Let's dive right into the first method. The first workaround we have is downloading files one by one. While this might seem tedious, it's a straightforward way to avoid the automatic zipping process. Start by opening your Google Drive account, either on your browser or through the app. Once you're there, navigate to the file or folder you wish to download. Right-click on a single file and pinpoint that download option. You'll notice that when you download files one at a time, Google Drive doesn't initiate the zipping process, so if you have various files, simply repeat this process for each one. Though it requires a bit more time and effort, it effectively circumvents the zipping feature. Now, if you need a more streamlined and efficient solution, let's move on to our second workaround, using Google Drive for Desktop. This method allows you to download multiple files without the hassle of zipping. Initially, visit workspace.google.com/products drive download to grab the Google Drive for Desktop application. After you've downloaded the application, go ahead and install it on your computer. This process is fairly simple and typically involves just a few clicks following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, you'll notice that Google Drive now integrates with your computer's file system. It typically appears as a separate drive with a designated letter, like Drive I, in the This PC section. When you're set up, navigate to the synced folder on your local machine where your Google Drive files are stored. This integration essentially mirrors your Google Drive setup onto your desktop, making files accessible and easy to manage. From here, copy the files you want, there's no need to worry about compression, and paste them into any preferred folder on your computer. This method keeps your files in their original format without the complication of a zipped folder. These workarounds provide flexibility, whether you're handling a large number of files or just a few. By the end of this guide, you should feel comfortable avoiding the zipping dilemma altogether. Feel free to choose the method that suits your needs and workflow best. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your file management a little smoother. Remember to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.